संस्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्माणि स्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्ण ते नमः। जननीं शारदा देवी रामकृष्ण जगद्गुरु पादपद्मे तयोश्रित्या प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। नमो श्री ज्योतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूर्यये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय त्वापहारिणे। My humble pranams to Thakur, Ma and Swamiji, and my best regards to all the Matajis, and my namaste to all the devotees, and my heartfelt greetings to you, all the children of bliss. I'm elated to see the enthusiasm of all of you during this holy and inspiring program. I can only pray for you that while leaving this place, carry the happy and serene feelings with you and try to implement them throughout your life. What a beautiful idea it is. Life's journey in a joyful raft of divinity. And you know who made this raft? It's made by God alone. And here we will give this place to our holy trio, Sri Ramakrishna, Sharada Ma, and Swami Vivekananda. Because my topic is goal of life according to the trio. Actually, though they are in different form, but they sang the same song in their different voice, mean they are all one, three in one. Like an orchestra party, different instruments are played, but in one tune. That makes the music melodious. And Shastra also said, at ekam sadvipraha bahuda badanti. Means truth is one. And the sages speaks of it variously. Now let us see what the novel messages this Thakur Ma and Swamiji left for us. They all came to execute the same one idea, that is for the upliftment of mankind. They wanted to enlighten us by showing the path to get back to our real divinity. As Ramakrishna indicated us about what should be the goal of our life, and that is to realize God. But how? First, be a man in the true sense of the term. Man means with consciousness, that which can be enlighten you. Then, see God in everyone, in each person, for divinity is within them. So, love them, serve them, worship them as worship all the Jiva as Shiva. How it is? To the hungry person, serve them food. As you worship and serve your Lord in thy temple. To the ignorant, serve them with knowledge as you teach in your academy to your students. To the homeless, give them shelters as the guardians give shelters of love and hope. In our childhood, we are taught that every human should behave with other human as a human manner. In that early age, we don't know about this potential divinity or essential divinity, but we can understand one thing, that is humanity, where love and compassion exist. And Sri Sharada Ma said, love all, no one is outsiders. Expressing this feeling of oneness, once she said to her disciple, whoever is within me is also with you, and he is also within the Dule Bhakti, all the downtrodden. So, seeing the divinity in all, she couldn't differentiate with another. That's how she became the mother of all. Her feeling of oneness resulted in the outpouring of the universal love. To her, everything is a part of the same Brahma, irrespective of caste, race, or social status. So, divinizing every aspect of the material world came naturally to her, manifesting her feeling of oneness. And that's how she became the mother of all. Mother said, mother's ideal, Sharda Ma was the really ideal and role model of the householders and all the monastic members also. To the householders, she showed how she spent the whole day by doing her household duties in a spirit of worship, loving, caring, and with all respects. And to the monastic members, she showed like a saint. She spent her whole night merging herself with God in a deep meditation. Swami Vivekananda said that each soul is divine. We have to manifest it. But how? Again, the same thing as preached by Sri Ramakrishna Dev. Be selfless and serve man as you serve God. Swamiji carried the spiritual power from Thakur in his early age. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, we find that it is said, for the sake of divine present in all, a self that are loved, and not for the sake of that object or any person. Though, unfortunately, we have lost the key of happiness, but the original key is the divine love. Our need is to identify and apply in our society by unlocking the human heart of love for perceiving divine love. Love all, love God. Thus one can attain the goal of life, that is to realize God. And this is the eternal divine play of being and becoming. Once Swamiji delivered in his lecture in London in 1896 that we have to cover everything with the Lord Himself, not by a false sort of optimism, not by blinding our eyes to the evil, but by really seeing God in everything. Love and charity for the sake of human race, that is the test of true religiousness. One must feel the oneness of human life. All our fellow travelers, all the living beings, good or evil, all are going to the same goal. Swamiji divinized all. If one can follow this practical Vedanta, then this world of us become heaven of peace. Ultimately, as I have started with the melodious music, the same thing is in my last words. Ramakrishna, Sharada Devi, and Swamiji, three of them played the same music in a different form. Where whatever Sri Ramakrishna told us in a form of sutra, this means formula, Swamiji explained that in Bhashya, commentary, and preached the whole world that. And Ma Sharada practically showed to the mankind by leading the same idea throughout her life. The universal love is love for God and serve all as God. Be and becoming is the motto of their teaching. So live joyfully, wisely, without getting lost in this mundane world. May Mother liberate us from the Mahishasur of the ego which is the real barrier between the Jivatma and Paramatma. May there be peace in the heart of all beings. May the Divine Mother, who resides in the heart of all beings, be gracious to us and lead us from the darkness to the darkness of ignorance to the light of self-knowledge and devotion. Asato ma sadgamayo, tamoso ma jyotirgamayo, mritturma amritangamayo. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now, I will tell हिंदी में सारांश बता रही हूँ. श्री रामकृष्ण देव, माँ शारदा और स्वामी जी ये तीनों जगत के कल्याण के लिए आए थे. मानव जीवन का लक्ष्य क्या ये बताए थे और समझाए थे. श्री रामकृष्ण जी ने जो सूत्रों के आकार में बताए, जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है, ईश्वर प्राप्ति. कैसे हर इंसान में हमारे दिव्यता है, उसे जागृत करना है. स्वामी जी ठाकुर जी का इस तथ्य का व्याख्यान करके जगत में प्रचार किए हैं. शिव ज्ञान से जीव सेवा करके जीवन का लक्ष्य प्राप्त हो सकता है. और माँ शारदा इसी भावना को अपने जीवन में उतार कर दिखा कर गई है. कहते थे, ये साधना करके देखोगे, ये मेरे अंदर जो है तुम्हारे अंदर भी वही है. दूल्हे बागदी डाउन ट्रोडन्स जो है सबके अंदर वही है और सारे जग में वो दिव्यता है. इसलिए सभी तो वो एक ही है. इस प्रेम भाव से माँ सदा सबको अपना लेती थी. कोई भेदभाव नहीं था उनमें. माँ थी सबकी माँ. माँ है हमारी सबकी अपना माँ. जय माँ. ओम शांति, शांति, शांति.